Hello, my name is Thinapap Solakit, student ID 6210750482. Today, I'm gonna present about project in LE202, Basic Electrical Engineering Laboratory subject. My project is about an app called RecAct. Rec is from recording, act is from activity, which using accelerometer and geolocation. The purpose of this app are to count the steps and to record the route from your entire journey. This is an useful app because you can know how many steps you have been walking. Moreover, you can know location of your route by using GPS, and this is the advantage that I also interested with. Next part, I will switch to MATLAB to show how this app works. This is an overview of user interface design. There are two access: lamp, switch, panel, variable, field, and gauge. And then I will explain how this component connects to the code. First, I add property to create mobile depth variable to store and share data between callback and function. Then I call back a startup function and connect data from phone by using this line. Now, let me preview this app along with the code. Then I will focus on connecting lamp and switch. If app is connected to the phone, the lamp will turn to green and take chain to connect. On the contrary, if app is not connected to the phone, lamp will be turned to red, take chain to disconnect, switch will be disabled. In this case, I have not connected with the phone yet, so the lamp will be red with take disconnect and switch disabled. Let's move to another component. Real button keep disabled since the app has started. So if I start the process by the app is connected with the phone, lamp will be turned green. Then I slide the switch from stop to start. Acceleration sensor and position sensor will be enabled, and app beginning receiving data from phone. Then I will wandering for a while and slide switch back to stop, which means stop receiving data. From this data, it will analyze into log and timestamp by using accelerometer, and it will be plot in acceleration graph. Then it will calculate magnitude from this code and remove constant effects such as gravity by this code, and plot it in counting step graph. Now it's time for counting by using 5p function from signal process toolbox, and then plot in the same graph. Now focus on the number of steps, which count from peak or port, and then put it in field and move the gauge to this number. Let's move to geolocation. From this app, as you can see, it's an only single panel, but in reality, there are three panels overlap each other in same location. I will mark first panel as satellite with map, second as land cover, and third as streets. At the beginning, I choose fixed choice option, which is satellite based map. That means I have to let panel 2 and 3 are invisible. Next, app will receive latitude, longitude from postlog and then plot geoplot. In satellite based map, for panel 1, land cover for panel 2, and street for panel 3. However, we can't see panel 2 and 3 because it's invisible. After that, I will allow button group to be enabled so you can choose whatever base map you want. After you select the one you want to be shown and push the activate button, it will jump to this callback function. If you push one button out of 3, the panel of that button will be shown up, otherwise hidden. That's all the process of the app. Now I will demonstrate this app. First, I will connect to the phone and waiting for connecting. Okay, the lamp is now turned from yellow to green, which means the app is connected with phone successfully. The switch is now usable now. I will slide the switch from stop to start. Look, the data from the phone is now recording. I will wander around here about 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to stop the recording by switch back to stop. So the graph on the left corner is the graph between acceleration and time. Below that is the graph between acceleration, magnitude with no gravity, and time, with red triangle on the peak. One of each count as one step, and the number of steps is displayed in this field, and gauge point to that number, which is 16. Let's see at the root panel. It's my journey along the way in satellite based map. So I will select other choice, land cover, activate. In street, activate. Okay, let's get back to satellite again. Activate. So that's how this app works. Thank you for watching.